Okay, so I'm gonna make a quick tutorial on how to use Clip Studio Paint's 3D feature. So to get started, what you're gonna wanna do is you wanna go to the Clip Studio Paint Assets website, and you're gonna go up to here into Detail and click in 3D Character, and then find a model that you would want. So for my example, I'm gonna use this one because it's free and it's pretty simple. You're going to want to hit the download, and in PC it'll just automatically go into your materials folder, but with iPad you have to hit open. It kind of glitches out if it doesn't do that, and then it'll download, which should take a minute. I don't have video editing software, so I have to wait until it's done. I'm sorry about that, but it's basically done now. And then you go into here and you go into your materials folder, which you can find the materials thing you can find here, and it'll be in here, and you hit all materials and it'll bring up this in the corner, and your new one will be right here. See, right there. And then you just drag it and drop it onto the screen. And this one, it doesn't have shading. To add shading on ones that like these, you'll hit settings and light source here, apply light source, and then it'll turn it on. And then to add a pose, you do the same thing. You download one off the website and you can just drag it over and drop. And that is how you do that. Let me just close this. So another thing that you can do, that's Clip Studio. I'm going to make that smaller so it's on the grid. You can go here, go to camera, and you can hit center object under preset so that it'll put it back into the camera's perspective if you lose it. And now if you want to change so it's different perspectives, you know how like those dramatic angles and stuff, you do this perspective line here, and it will do that, and it'll change. Ta-da! And then if you want to get so once you've done that, hang on, and you scroll up. So once if you choose to either use it as a reference or you choose to go over it and go from there, but you need the ruler, what you do here is you hit merge with layer below, make sure it's an empty layer underneath. And then what you do is you hit this red X right here, you just hit that and it'll show you the lines. And while that's on and it's in the same folder, it'll go on the line. You can't draw off the line, so you can make your own grid if you want to. So yeah, that's just a short basic tutorial on loading in these models and using them. Thank you for watching.